This is way bigger than you think. Believe me, you are not ready for what coming, my friend. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. As you see it here, today the market gave us here a very nice engulfing pattern, but very good. People there with me also catching a very nice trade yesterday. Today it's hitting the first, second, third take profit. Now here, what we need to do, if you remember what I told you we got here an inside bar, that indecision red candle, that green candle, it's been inside it. Did we break today? No, guys, we haven't broken the top of that inside bar, or also thinking of we're going to catch another long. By the way, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 200 like, guys. 200 like, and no, you can do it. We asked you for 100, you done it. Now we want 200 likes. I know you can do it, so please, my friend, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin. What you thinking? You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday, as we show you, when we lose, we show it to you. When we share it with you guys. As you see it here, we enter a long. As you see here, the first take profit, it's being hit. Second take profit, it's being hit. Market reverse a little bit. As you see here, if market kick you, you can re-enter. And as you see here, it's hitting the third take profit down here, guys. For those ones that re-enter, it hitting for them the first, second, and the third take profit. So that means we give them two signals, my friend. If you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. If you click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. If you don't see that one, if you are in the phone, just scroll by your finger from right to left. If you are in the PC, you came to that arrow here till you see VIP cryptocurrency or elite members. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. Not the video here, as you see it here. It's not hard thing. If you're facing any problem, my friend, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord, and we're going to solve that problem for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you here in the daily, here in the top and the lower here, we still have here that inside bar. That one, it's need a daily counter to close above it for us to enter more long, or down here for us to enter a short. People there with me buy from down here for long term, that one here. Now here, guys, the Bitcoin going to give you either one of two. Either from here going to go higher and to break for us that last high here, that one here at 66,206. If the Bitcoin came like that and breaking the last high here. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, and that one very important, you need to focus with me here. What we got here. Maybe the Bitcoin going to give you here a head and shoulder like that, guys. You see it or no? So even that one, it's possible, guys, and we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down again to down here to touch that uptrend as we talk about. If that happen, we're going to fall down to touch it, guys. Exactly at 56k. Another thing happened here in the daily. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? Look with me here. Bitcoin couldn't break the lower of that 50 moving average. Now it go back. We got here the 20 moving average, and above here at 63k we got the 200 moving average. So we need to see if the Bitcoin going to go above and to break that last high at 66k. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, the Bitcoin is told it just going to touch the 20 moving average or the 200 moving average, and after that is going to give us that head and shoulder as I show you here. You see it like that, guys. If that happen and the Bitcoin fall down and breaking the lower here, then we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down more than that. I think I explained to you everything. I give you for long and I give you for short. For long, it's need the Bitcoin to come to break 66k. For short, I will not give you the level because it's going to be like that, guys. You see it is an uptrend, so it might is going to break here at 60k. It might is going to break at 61k. No one know exactly. That way, I told you if it fall down like that and break a lower here, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down again. Another thing we do here last Friday like today, guys. What else we do? People, they been with me here and they watching Friday because you're going to see it in Saturday. We came with doing that 2 levels here. Those ones about Bitcoin options. We came with doing that one here in the top at 71k and that one down here at 61k. Bitcoin is close below it, but we closed the week inside that level. That's when those people, they put in pending orders here. They haven't exceeded and they keep in the premium of them. Now we need to make for that week, guys. We need to go to that page where we're getting those things to put even for that week. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, at the page where we're getting all those Bitcoin options levels. The coming Friday is going to be 11 of month 10. So we need to find those pots levels and call levels. So let's doing that together. As every time we start from here in the money, we try to find the pots first, then we find the calls. So let's doing that together. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here. Is it exactly at 56k? The number of pots here, 415 Bitcoin. The total volume here, 25 million. The number of calls, 0, guys. So that one, it's the level we need to look at it. And that one is only in one exchange, guys. It's not in all exchanges. So you need to be careful about that one. So that one, the first level, 56k. Now let's find in for the calls. Here we are, guys. We found the level 4 calls here. Is it exactly at 69k? The number of pots, 0. The number of calls, 31 Bitcoin. The total volume here, 1.93 million. So those ones, the levels, guys. We said 56k and 69k. Now let's go into the chart to join the 2 levels together. Here we are, guys. We set the first level here, 69k like that. And we set the down level, 56k like that. As you see it, guys, that's what I told you. So the view of those people, the Bitcoin, will not come to here and maybe just a correction from here. Then after that, we're going to see it falling down again. And that's what I told you. I give you all the scenarios, guys. I told you either that one here, Bitcoin going to give you here a head and shoulder like that. You see it, guys, like that. If that happened and we're breaking down here, it's going to be a head and shoulder and we're going to see Bitcoin falling down to touch for us that uptrend as we have here. And I told you exactly at 56k. So I think I explained to you everything, guys. So those ones, the levels about Bitcoin options here, 69k and 56k. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Even here, the Bitcoin is breaking for us the 50 moving average. He testing down the 100 and the 200. Now it came back, it's breaking above. Now let's see if the Bitcoin got the power to break even the 20 moving average. If that happened, that's a very good sign as we enter in a new bull area. But guys, look at that level here about the volume profile where we got the 20 moving average. Is exactly at 63,347. So you need to be focused about that level, what the Bitcoin going to do. If we're going to touch it here, then after to fall down and the Bitcoin maybe to give you here a double top or something. Even that one, it's possible, guys, because you don't need to forget us here. We just touched the top of the down channel. And if you remember what I told you about the monthly, when the monthly candle finished, that if you've been with us every day, so you need to be careful, my friend. The levels, you need to look at them here in 12 hours, guys. That level here is it at 63,349. The one you need to be focused about it. If the Bitcoin going to touch it here, then after to reverse. Another level we are in it here, 61,698. The top level here, 65,559. That one here, 59,190. That level down here, 56,455. Exactly at that 2 levels, guys. That one here, 59,190. Put in it a pending order. And that one down here, 56,455. Put in it another pending order, guys. Remember those things, what I'm telling you. Because it might, even we're going to see Bitcoin falling down to touch that 53k. But that 53k doesn't got a high percentage. We're going to touch it. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, same thing like the Bitcoin. It touch here, that level here, then it reverse upward. People that are with me also we buy from here. Yesterday I don't want to buy from here, and I give you the reason why. Should we enter long now for those ones they use a leverage? You wait in here another leg market to give you here like a double bottom or a price action here for you to catch a long, that if it's coming, or you can make something like that, like a downtrend here, and you wait in the Ethereum to break it here to enter a long. I'm talking here about those ones they use a leverage. Those ones they use a leverage, there is no entry yet. Yes, you're going to enter late, and remember that you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter in the safe side, my friend. This time here we don't got any price action. Yes, we touch level, market tried to reverse, but we don't got nothing yet, guys. It might we're just going to touch that level here. Then after that we're going to see the Ethereum falling down the levels. You need to look at them very close here in the Ethereum. As I told you, that level here of 24 we just touch it here. You need to be careful if the Ethereum from here going to fall down, guys, because the market doesn't fall down like that and it doesn't go up like that. Market is always working with waves, guys. That's why I told you need to be careful if the Ethereum from here going to fall down. Exactly like those ones they use a leverage. Me personally I start thinking maybe we're going to fall down to touch that long term uptrend here, but we need to wait to see if the market going to give us here a price action or something like how it happened here, so we need to wait in another price action here to tell us the next leg, guys, because if you look in here, it might the Ethereum to give you here a big head and shoulder, same thing like the Bitcoin, so you need to be careful. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, same thing. You remember the divergence here, we show it to you in yesterday. If you watching yesterday video, we told you there is a reversing upward is coming, and that's what happened, guys. Look where is the Ethereum. The Ethereum touched that level of 24. Now we need to see when we touch in here that level, because if you're looking at our indicator, we're still in a place where it's only bears who controlling. People that are with me, they know that, they know how us we working. When we still in a place only bears who controlling, we're still in a downtrend. There is nothing here telling us that downtrend is changing, my friends. So you need to wait if that indicator here going to enter to the place where the bulls they controlling, and market give us here a confirmation telling us we need to enter along. Now let's go to see the Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin today, we make a new uptrend as you see it from that one and that one here. Now we need to see if the Bitcoin going to break here, and we're going to see the Bitcoin going to fall down again, and it's going to give us here that big head and shoulder me I just show you in daily. If that happen, guys, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down, but we still have here that two uptrend. That one here where we make it from that one it's not 100% stronger uptrend. The stronger one is that one here. So you need to be careful, my friend, what the Bitcoin going to do when we touch that level here. Now for those ones they want to enter a long, guys, because that one is very important. Look with me here. Should you enter a long here, that the double bottom I told you here, that one here, and like that you got here a double bottom. If the Bitcoin breaking here, that means more upward, guys. You can enter a long, but it doesn't break in yet. The level or the top of the double bottom is it exactly at 62,373. Another thing happened here in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? That one is very important. You remember when we touch in here that 200 moving average, and me I told you we touched 3 times. Look at it first, second, and here the third. Now we have here that one here is very important. Is the top of the double bottom. Should we enter now? Me personally I still thinking the Bitcoin is going to go till that level here to touch exactly that 63,319, and after that we're going to see if the Bitcoin going to reverse or not, because if you see what we got here in that level, guys, we got there the 50 and the 100 moving average. The 50, that blue one here, that white one is the 100 moving average. That's why me I told you, I'm still thinking the Bitcoin is going to come till here. If we're looking here at the volume profile, guys, what you seeing is the only place we got a lot of volume there. It's that place here of 63,319. So you need to be careful, my friend. That's why me I told you, if you are using leverage, you need to be careful. Till now there is nothing confirmed. You still between those moving averages, and those moving averages, look at the Bitcoin, how it's respecting them here. Same thing is going to happen here, guys. We need to be careful. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it gives us here the divergence. Also, we show it to you, even in the thumbnail of yesterday video, we show it to you. That's why also we enter that long. Now look at it where we are. We are in the middle here. Saturday and Sunday, you know it, guys, there is no moves. So we need to wait till Monday, guys. Then we're going to see if the Bitcoin going to enter to the place where is the bulls they control, and we're going to see the market jumping above till extreme overbought area, and that's going to be very good. So now as we still waiting what's going to happen, guys, Saturday and Sunday, I tell it to you there is nothing. So I think I explain everything. If you want exactly when also we enter, we're putting stop loss, we're putting take profit, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes, guys, for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. People there with me, also we enter from that candle here exactly because we're breaking the downtrend we used to have here. I don't want to show you everything from here exactly. We enter and we put a stop loss here. Look at it, tell where it's hitting for us the third take profit. We still have above the fourth take profit. If the market going to go more higher, now what you got here at that level here, look with me here. If you came like that, guys, what you got? You see at that high here, the market is still respected here. Yes or no? Market tried to give you here a small head and shoulder like that one I showed you in yesterday here. You remember that one here? I showed it to you in yesterday and it was in the thumbnail of the video. Based on that one, we'll dive you enter. Look till where. Now here what you got, as I told you, that level here, it's very strong level. You need to focus about it. If the Bitcoin going to fall down to break that uptrend, you see me how I started from the tail, that one here and that one here. You waiting if the Bitcoin going to break it here, you can catch another short, but it need to be not in Saturday and Sunday, guys, because if you look in here, look at it here, you got like a up channel, guys, here. You see that up channel here, that up channel, it just touched the top of it here. So maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down to touch the lower of it, then after to go above to touch the top of it. So you need to be careful, but for all that to happen, we need to break that last high, guys. That one here, from the tail of that candle here, it need to be broke. That level is very, very stronger, and at the top of the double bottom or cup and handle here in 30 minutes, I just show you in the 4 hours, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, also we enter a long base on that one here. I showed it to you before. Told you we got here a divergence like that. That's why also we catching that long. Now that one here is at the extreme overbought area. Even that one here, it touch extreme overbought area. We got a small divergence here in 30 minutes, guys. You see it here. Should we enter a short now? I just show you that up channel here. That one here. Focus about it. What the market going to do if we break in that uptrend there? You need to enter a short, my friends. So I think I explained everything to you guys. We don't need to make the video too long. So that's it for that video. By the way, if you made it from the start of the video till here, you are a very, very special subscriber. Go down to the comment section and write a hashtag. We use it together. I have done it for me to know the people they stick with us from the start till the end. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.